Select Honda models have a climate control system that can be set independently for the driver and front passenger. Here's how it works. When the engine is running, push the on-off button in the center of the controls to turn the system on or off. Press the auto button to engage automatic function. Turn the dial on the left to adjust the driver's side temperature, and use the dial on the right to change the front passenger's temperature. When the sync button is pushed, both zones will take on the settings of the driver. Sync can be disengaged by pressing the sync button again, or by adjusting the front passenger's control. On select trims with front seat heaters, the system will automatically activate the seat heaters depending upon the ambient temperature. You can adjust which vents are in use by pressing the vent mode button. Press the windshield defrost button to help clear the windshield. If the climate control system is off, it will automatically come on. And to more rapidly warm or cool the interior, or defrost the windshield more quickly, press the recirculation button. It can also help keep noxious fumes from entering the cabin. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.